Some people come to us because they feel stuck in a situation or pattern and they can't see a clear path forward.
Others come because everything is changing faster than they can keep up with. Sometimes those changes are welcome and sometimes not.
Either way, the people who find us have outgrown something in their life, and they can feel that something new is calling them forward.
When this begins, it can feel isolating, especially if no one around you understands it.
I'm Julie.
And I'm Eric.
We created Dragonfly Awakening of Colorado to support people moving through transition and challenging times.
For people who are questioning the old way of doing things, for people navigating spiritual awakening, and for people who feel called to evolve, but do not have the support or guidance they need.
The world is changing rapidly. Beliefs are shifting. Old structures and systems, internally and externally, are falling away.
When that happens, it can be disorienting. But you don't need someone to tell you what to believe. You need someone who can help you stay steady and clear while you discover your own truth. That's the work we do.
I offer energy healing sessions that clear energetic residue, emotional overwhelm, and the subtle distortions that build up from life's stress, trauma, and outside influence. This isn't surface-level relaxation. It's recalibration. When your system is clear, decisions become easier, reactions soften, and your natural clarity returns.
For those who feel called into higher awareness, but need help staying balanced in the process, I offer spiritual transformation and ascension guidance. These sessions support integration, clarity, and grounded evolution. I also offer tarot for clarity and empowerment. These sessions are not about predicting the future, they're about helping you see your situation clearly so you can move forward with strength and intention.
I teach pendulum basics to help you build trust in your own intuitive guidance and learn to receive clear answers without second-guessing yourself.
And we offer QHHT sessions for those ready to explore deeper layers of consciousness, access inner guidance, and facilitate profound healing.
Everything we do is about strengthening your inner authority.
So if you feel like you're due for a change, if you feel something already waking up inside of you, if you simply want support navigating your next chapter, we invite you to explore Dragonfly Awakening of Colorado.
You can read more about our sessions, schedule a session, or ask any questions you have about our offerings at dragonflyawakening.com.
If you're ready to move forward with clarity and strength, we're here to work with you.